Sa pagpihit ng panahon, ang hagupit ng La Nina at mga matinding pag-ulan naman ang ating binabantayan at pinaghahandaan. Mahigit 5,500 flood control project ang natapos na at marami pang iba ang kasalukuyang ginagawa sa buong bansa. Isa na rito ay ang Flood Risk Management Project sa Cagayan de Oro River na magbibigay ng pangmatagalang proteksyon sa mahigit 600 ektarya ng lupa at 60,000 nating mga kababayan. Isa pa ay ang proyekto sa Pampanga Bay na magsisilbing karagdagang lunas sa mga pagbabaha.
Minded that climate change will keep exacerbating the impact of natural disasters. As I said, we must make climate change a vital component of our national policies. We must make sure that we apply our knowledge on climate change to every plan, to every decision and initiative, so we can build stronger and more resilient communities. Be assured that the government is always striving to ensure that such tragedies of this magnitude will be avoided and will be adapted to. We continue to build disaster-resilient evacuation centers and emergency operation centers. We are also putting into place more centralized and efficient early warning systems, incident command systems, and disaster response strategies. I'll tell you the truth, it's never enough. It's never enough. I wish we could do more. We're doing everything that we can, but you know, when you lose a life, you lose a life. What can you do about that? It's terrible tragedy.
Mahigit 5,500 flood control project ang natapos na at marami pang iba ang kasalukuyang ginagawa sa buong bansa.